Surah Al-Fil, the elephant. This surah is Meccan, containing one section and 5 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
ألم تر كيف فعل ربك بأصحاب الفيل؟
Did you not see what your Lord did to the people of the elephant?
ألم يجعل كيدهم في تضليل؟
Did he not place their plot into destruction?
وأرسل عليهم طيرا أبابيل
And he unleashed upon them swarms of birds,
ترميهم بحجارة من سجيل
which pelted them with pebbles of baked clay,
فجعلهم كعصف مأكول.
so he made them like devoured straw.